Singing Screaming Jay Hawkins?
I ain't gonna take none of you. What the hell?
What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
I'm cleaning. I don't blame you for not knowing what that is. You see what that thing is? That's called a vacuum cleaner. This is a spongy. This is water. This is cleaning solution. And what I'm doing, I'm trying to make this living area more hygienic, less dirty, less filthy, less uriny, less fecally, less semen-y, less foody, less a lot of organic things.
Less seemingly? What would Jay Hawkins say to that?
Got it. Nickel.